Hi, it's me, K10, and check it out. I am just looking at these beautiful flowers that I put in a nice rainbow mug. This one is my favorite. It is a daffodil, and it's got yellow, and it's got white around it. Anyway, I just love these so much. Oh, and check this out. Oh no, look at this. I love my pens. They're so cool, but they always make a mess when they're in a pile. They just don't look nearly as nice as my other stuff I've got around here. Wait a minute. This gives me a clever idea for a crafternoon. Yes! Oh, and you know what we're gonna need? These flowers. Come on! Whoa! All right, let's get to crafting. So, because these are artificial flowers, we can use them in our craft. So, we're gonna need the same amount of flowers for the same amount of pens. So let's count how many pens we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 pens, so we're gonna need 8 flowers. And because these flowers have wire in them, it's really helpful if you get a grown-up to help you out. Oh, thank you. So, check this out. We have all the little stems, and they're separate away from their other stuff. But you really want to be careful, and this is something, again, that's really good to have a grown-up around for, is just being careful of wires, because you don't want to get poked. So, what we're gonna do, we can start on this. We take our flower, we take the lid off our pen, then we find the flower, we kind of match it up to the pen, and then we need something called WashiTape.
WashiTape!
I'll pick a green color because our flower stems are green, we can match. But WashiTape is like tape, but it's a little bit thin, and it's also not super sticky. But what we can do with our WashiTape is we can wrap it around the pen and make it look like the stem of the flower. So we can make it look like the flower and the pen are just one thing. And then my idea is we can make our whole PenJar look like a vase of flowers. How cool is that? Okay, so we'll start on this one. So I'm just gonna line this up, being careful of that wire. And we just have to start it. Starting it is the tricky part with WashiTape. But you can wrap it around, and then now that you have it wrapped, you just have to keep going. You might get some pin on you, but look at that. I'm pretty good with WashiTape, which is why I'm just using my thumb to wrap it around, but sometimes it might take a little bit longer than this. So we go like this, and we twist, 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 twist. I think this is gonna make the pens look really good. Another thing that you can use to do this craft is something called floral tape. That is a craft supply that not a lot of kids have, so that's why I'm using washi tape instead. But anything that's green that could hold this down could do. So you could use even some green felt and wrap that green felt around this. Or you could use some green yarn and wrap it around, or embroidery floss, but check this out. So this is our flower pen. And then if we put it in our rainbow cup, now that looks like a flower in a jar. How cool. So we're just gonna do this. We had 8 pens. We're gonna do this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 more times. Wow, Whoa, check it out. It's another crafternoons creation. I love this. I think this looks so nice. It's not only flowers, it's also pens. And you're never gonna lose a pen again. And also, this would be such a nice gift for somebody who really wants their pens organized and also who really likes flowers too. Well, thank you so much for joining me for another Crafternoon.